Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is fractions. Today we are going to learn how to write the fractions in words and in figures. So, the main objective of today's learning is to understand how to write the fractions in words and also in figures. Before that, let's revise what is a fraction. A fraction represents a part of whole. Fractions are used to represent quantities less than 1. A fraction is divided into two parts, upper part and lower part. The upper part of a fraction is called numerator and the lower part of a fraction is called denominator. What does the line between parts indicate? It indicates division between two parts. We write a fraction as numerator, then the division line, and then the denominator. Let us now begin to understand how to write the fractions in words and also in figures. Look at the first fraction. We can write this fraction in three different ways. We can write it as 1 over 4 or 1 upon 4 or 1/4. In this, kids, we must remember one thing, that when the numerator is 1, we do not write s in the denominator. So, the spelling will be fourth, fourth, that is 1/4. Now look at the next one. We can write this fraction in three different ways. First one, 2 over 6 or 2 upon 6 or 2/6. Look at this example. We can again write this fraction in three different ways. 3 over 8 or 3 upon 8 or 3/8. Now let's solve some more examples. Write the fractions in words. Now how we will write this fraction? There are three ways to write it. The first way is 1 upon 8. The second way is 1 over 8. And the third way is 1/8. Let us take the next example. How do we write this fraction in words? First of all, we will write it as 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Then 4 over 5. 4 over 5. And we can also write it as 4/5. 4/5. Let us take the next example. How do we write this fraction in words? First of all, we can write it as 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10. Then we can write it as 5 over 10. And we can write it as 5/10. Now let's discuss how to write fractions in figures. Let's discuss some examples. So, as we have discussed, we can write the fractions in words in 3 ways. So, for the 3 ways, the fraction in figure will be the same. So, for 4/9 or 4/9 or 4/9, the answer will be written in this way. 4, then the division line, then 9. So, in this example also, for 7/10 or 7/10 or 7/10, the answer will be the same. The answer will be written in this way. 7, then the division line, then 10. Let's solve some more examples. Write the fractions in figures. First one is 2/5. So, 2 will be the numerator and 5ths will be the denominator. So, how we will write it? We will write it in this way. 2, then the line and then 5. 2/5. We can also read it as 2/5 or 2/5. Let us take the next example. 7/9. So 7 will be the numerator and 9 will be the denominator. So let us write 7/9. We can also read it as 7/9 or 7/9. Now let us take the next example. 3/7. So let us write 3 will be the numerator and 7 will be the denominator. So let us write 3/7. We can also read it as 3/7 or 3/7. Now let's recall what we have learnt today. We have learnt that a fraction represents a part of a whole. The upper part of a fraction is called numerator and the lower part of a fraction is called denominator. Today we have learnt how to write the fractions in words and in figures. So we can write the fraction in 3 different ways. And for the 3 different ways, when we write the fraction in figures, it will be the same. So, I hope kids, you have understood how to write the fractions in words and also in figures. Now, complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.